I'm about to get creative with this piece of wood here. Now I painted the deep parts black, and then I'm gonna go around with orange, turn this bad boy into a pumpkin that will last. All right, it's coming along. I'm gonna have to do some other things to it. Definitely not perfect, but I think like from a distance it'll be all right. So one reason I like to grow our corn is because then I don't have to wait on everything to arrive for our fall display. I can literally come out here and hack it down and put it up when I'm ready, not when the stores have it in stock. I'm always ready by September 1st. My friends got me this awesome Bear Grylls machete, so I use this bad boy to cut like that, all the corn's down, and I have it in piles. So now I can go get ready to add this where I want it. This one looks like a Minecraft pumpkin. I didn't do as great on that. But this one's a little better, and that was my first one. So anyways, I have it drying. I actually added some resin to the top of it. And we'll see how it looks with the fall display later. I know it's a little early. It's August 28th. But I went ahead and I'm going for it. There's no better time like the right time. And the right time for me is now because I own an event company.